Isinagawa kumakailan ang Vehicular Accident Analysis and Safety Forum noong ika-27 ng Agosto taong 2025, kung saan tinalakay ang resulta ng Project G4RS sa University of Cordilleras. Ang Project G4RS o GIS for Road Safety ay isang taon na pananaliksik na pinunduhan ng DOST at pinatupad na project ng University of Cordilleras. Layunin ng Geographic Information System at Data Analytics na masuri ang mga sanhi at critical na pattern ng mga aksidente sa Baguio City.
Because in addressing traffic accidents, there are policy, di ba? Policy, recommendations, there are engineering interventions. And merong driving safety, that's why you have LTO and so on. So we want to be coherent with everyone. That's why you have different actors and stakeholders para, we can cross-pollinate ideas on how to really address these problems.
Ayon kay Dr. Lupita, dapat itong ipatupad ng mas may strategiya, partikular sa mga lugar na mataas ang insidente ng aksidente.
So this research output will show that there are hotspots and there are statistically significant areas that we should focus our attention. So siguro, we want to really be strict in implementing the 20 to 30 kilometers per hour speed limit, then these are the areas.
Samantala, sinabi ni Engineer John Vicente Ninyalga ng City Engineering Office na
and yung process data naman po, which are yung months kung kailan pinakamarami yung mga insidente sa per kalsada and yung mga reasons din ng mga aksidente na yun is through the data processing is na-provide po nung project team. So this will be a great help po sa amin sa City Government of Baguio and City Engineering Office.
Isinagawa ang Project G4RS hindi lamang isang pananaliksik, kundi bilang gabay para sa lokal na pamahalaan at programang pangkaligtasan sa kalsada sa Baguio City. Para sa PIO Baguio Balita, ako si Ginger Bangkulita.